Hello everyone, welcome to Zhuzhou Hansen Chemical Company. Hunan Ansen Biotechnology is the subsidiary corporation of Hansen, which established in 2016. So now let's go to the workshop. Here is the oxidation workshop. It is oxidation by DMSO and hydrogen peroxide tank reactor is operating now. And now I'm in the GMP clean workshop. Here is the drying room. Drying machines are busy for drying the MSM in process. This is the semi-finished products room. The semi-finished products waiting to be tested and packaging. Here is the warehouse, occupation of 1,000 square meters. Different packaging types are available to meet different demands, such as carton boxes, craft paper bags, drums, town bags. These are finished products ready for shipping to abroad. Here is the lab room. Here is our sample room. All batch samples will keep and record for 4 years here.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.